India, a land that pulses with life, where every sunrise brings a new burst of color and every sunset tells a story. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas in the north to the sun-drenched beaches of the south, this is a country that never ceases to amaze. A land of vibrant colors, rich history, and unparalleled beauty. Here, ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, creating a tapestry of experiences that is as diverse as it is breathtaking. The streets are alive with the sounds of celebration, the aroma of spices, and the warmth of 1,000 welcomes. For centuries, travelers have been captivated by its mystique, eager to uncover its hidden treasures. From the majestic forts of Rajasthan to the tranquil ghats of Varanasi, every corner of India holds a story waiting to be discovered. The allure of its palaces, the grandeur of its temples, and the charm of its bustling bazaars have drawn explorers from every corner of the globe. While there are countless ways to explore this incredible country, none are as enchanting as embarking on a journey aboard the Palace on Wheels. This legendary train offers a unique perspective, winding its way through the heart of India's most iconic landscapes and cities. This luxurious train promises an unforgettable experience, a voyage through time and tradition, steeped in the splendor of India's royal past. Every carriage is a tribute to the opulence of the Maharajas, adorned with intricate details and plush comforts that transport you to another era. Imagine stepping back in time into a world of Maharajas and palaces. Picture yourself walking the same halls as kings and queens, surrounded by the echoes of history and the whispers of ancient legends. This is the allure of the Palace on Wheels, India's most luxurious train. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a moving palace, a living museum, and a gateway to the golden age of Indian royalty. This majestic train, with its exquisitely designed interiors and impeccable service, offers a glimpse into a bygone era of regal opulence. Every meal is a feast, every moment an opportunity to indulge in the finest hospitality India has to offer. Since its inception in 1982, the Palace on Wheels has been captivating travelers with its unique blend of luxury and cultural immersion. Over the decades, it has become a symbol of India's commitment to preserving its royal heritage, while offering world-class experiences to guests from around the world. It's a journey that goes beyond the ordinary, promising an intimate encounter with the soul of India. As the train glides past golden deserts, lush forests, and vibrant cities, you'll witness the ever-changing face of this incredible nation, all from the comfort of your private suite. From the moment you step aboard, you're transported to a realm of grandeur, where every detail is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of wonder. The adventure that awaits is not just a journey across land, but a passage through time, culture, and the very heart of India itself. The Palace on Wheels is not just a train, it's a palace on wheels. This legendary locomotive is a moving testament to India's royal heritage, blending the romance of travel with the opulence of a bygone era. As it glides across the vast landscapes of Rajasthan, it invites you to experience a journey unlike any other, one where every moment is steeped in grandeur and tradition. Stepping into your cabin is akin to entering a royal chamber. Each suite is inspired by the palaces of Rajasthan's former princely states, designed to transport you into a world of regal comfort and privacy. The interiors are lavishly decorated with intricate woodwork, rich fabrics, and handcrafted furnishings. Every corner is thoughtfully curated, echoing the artistry and craftsmanship of India's royal past. Every detail, from the ornate lamps to the plush carpets, exudes an air of timeless elegance. The soft glow of the lighting, the gentle touch of silk and velvet, and the subtle fragrance of fresh flowers create an ambience that is both inviting and enchanting. But the luxury doesn't stop there. Each carriage is attended by a dedicated personal butler, available around the clock to cater to your every need. These attendants, dressed in traditional attire, embody the spirit of Indian hospitality, ensuring that your journey is as seamless as it is memorable. Whether it's unpacking your bags, serving you afternoon tea, or arranging your itinerary for the day's excursions, the staff's attention to detail is unmatched. Or ensuring you have everything you need for a comfortable journey, no request is too small. From a midnight snack to a perfectly pressed suit, your wishes are anticipated and fulfilled with a smile. And for those seeking ultimate relaxation, the Palace on Wheels offers an onboard spa. This tranquil sanctuary is a haven of peace, where you can escape the bustle of travel and surrender to pure indulgence. Indulge in a rejuvenating massage, expertly delivered by skilled therapists who use traditional techniques to melt away your stress. Or pamper yourself with a traditional Indian beauty treatment as you glide through the heart of Rajasthan. The rhythmic motion of the train, combined with soothing aromas and gentle music, creates a spa experience that is truly one of a kind. The gentle rocking of the train and the picturesque scenery passing by your window only enhance the experience. Watch as golden deserts, ancient forts, and vibrant villages unfold before your eyes, each view more captivating than the last. After a day of exploring, retreat to the onboard restaurant and savor the flavors of India. The dining carriages themselves are works of art, with elegant table settings and panoramic windows that frame the ever-changing landscape. The chefs, masters of their craft, prepare a delectable array of dishes, from rich curries to delicate biryanis, each meal a celebration of India's culinary diversity. Using fresh, locally sourced ingredients, the kitchen brings the vibrant tastes and aromas of Rajasthan right to your table, ensuring every bite is an adventure in itself. The dining experience is nothing short of extraordinary, a culinary journey that complements the visual feast outside your window. On the Palace on Wheels, every sense is indulged, every comfort considered, and every moment is designed to make you feel like royalty on the move. The journey begins in Delhi, the bustling capital city, where the old and new blend seamlessly. Here, the energy is palpable. Ancient monuments stand tall beside modern skyscrapers, and the streets are alive with the sounds of rickshaws, vendors, and the aroma of street food wafting through the air. At the historic Safdarjung railway station, you're greeted with a traditional Indian welcome. Smiling hosts drape vibrant marigold garlands around your neck, a gesture symbolizing hospitality and good fortune, while the rhythmic beats of drums and the fragrance of incense fill the air. As you step onto the platform, the iconic Palace on Wheels awaits, its gleaming carriages promising a journey of luxury and discovery. Attendants in regal attire guide you to your suite, where plush interiors and vintage decor evoke the grandeur of a bygone era. This will be your home for the next 7 days, as you traverse the royal heartland of Rajasthan. With a gentle whistle, the train glides out of Delhi, winding its way through the picturesque Indian countryside. Rolling fields, quaint villages, and distant forts pass by your window as anticipation builds for the adventures ahead. Soon, you arrive at the first jewel in the crown, Jaipur, the legendary Pink City. Jaipur dazzles with its rose-hued buildings, a city painted pink to welcome royalty centuries ago. The streets buzz with life. Colourful bazaars overflow with textiles, jewellery and handicrafts, while the scent of spices and sweets fills the air. Every corner tells a story of valour, artistry and tradition. Your exploration begins at the Amber Fort, perched majestically atop a rugged hill. Its imposing ramparts and ornate gateways invite you to step back in time. Inside, intricate mirrorwork, frescoes, and sprawling courtyards reveal the opulence of Rajasthan's royal past, while panoramic views from the ramparts offer a breathtaking glimpse of Jaipur below. Next, wander through the city palace, a magnificent complex where Mughal and Rajasthani architecture blend harmoniously. Stroll through lush gardens, admire the regal halls adorned with priceless artifacts, and discover museums that house treasures from centuries of royal rule. No visit to Jaipur is complete without marveling at the Hawa Mahal, or Palace of Winds. Its delicate honeycomb facade, with 953 tiny windows, was designed for royal ladies to observe street festivities unseen. The intricate latticework casts mesmerizing patterns of light and shadow, making it a photographer's delight. As evening falls, the adventure continues at Chowki Dani, an authentic Rajasthani village resort. Here you're welcomed with folk performances, puppet shows and traditional games, offering a glimpse into the vibrant rural life of Rajasthan. Savor a sumptuous Rajasthani feast under the stars, as musicians and dancers bring the night alive with their spirited performances. The flavors, sights, and sounds of Jaipur create memories that linger long after the journey ends, setting the perfect tone for your royal adventure through Rajasthan. From the regal splendor of Jaipur, the palace on wheels chugs its way to the legendary Ranthambore National Park, a true haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, Ranthambore is renowned for its thriving population of majestic Bengal tigers. Embark on an exhilarating jeep safari through the park's rugged terrain, accompanied by experienced naturalists and expert guides. Keep your eyes peeled for tigers lurking in the dense undergrowth, sloth bears foraging for honey, and graceful deer grazing peacefully in the meadows. The thrill of spotting a tiger in its natural habitat is an experience that will stay with you long after you've disembarked the train. The park's diverse landscape, with its dense forests, tranquil lakes, and ancient ruins, provides a stunning backdrop for wildlife viewing. And as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the park, the chances of spotting a tiger increase, making for an unforgettable and magical wildlife encounter. The next stop on this royal adventure is Udaipur, the Venice of the East. This romantic city, with its shimmering lakes, opulent palaces, and picturesque setting, is sure to leave you enchanted. Visit the City Palace, a majestic complex of palaces, courtyards, and gardens, overlooking the azure waters of Lake Piccola. Take a boat ride on the lake and honestly marvel at the beauty of the Lake Palace, a floating vision in white marble, seemingly rising from the water itself. In the evening, witness a traditional Rajasthani cultural performance at the Bagora Ki Haveli, a beautifully restored 18th century mansion. The vibrant costumes, rhythmic music, and captivating storytelling will transport you to a bygone era. So, as we journey through these landscapes, it's really fascinating how the train becomes a living thread, weaving together centuries-old traditions. Each stop, every encounter, it all gives us a sense of the deep-rooted customs that have shaped communities for generations. Honestly, it's like stepping into a story that never really ends. For the traveler who seeks more than just a destination, this journey offers something truly special. It's not just about where you're going, but, how you get there. The allure lies in the details, the comfort, the service, and that unique blend of nostalgia and discovery that only a train like this can provide. Traveling on this route, you really feel like you're in a world apart, yet somehow everything remains connected. The changing scenery outside, the shared stories inside the compartments, it all reminds us that despite our differences, there's a common thread tying everyone together. It's kind of amazing, isn't it? At the end of the day, this is so much more than just a train ride. It's an unforgettable passage through the heart of India, where every moment, every memory becomes a part of your own story. And honestly, it's a journey you'll carry with you long after the tracks have faded from view.